Have you ever been trying to learn how to kickflip and you couldn't keep the board under your feet? Maybe Softrucks could be the answer to fixing that problem. And this is how to kickflip on Softrucks for beginners. And what Softrucks are, they actually are like trainer skateboarding trucks that go on the bottom of like an extra deck that you have, and the rubber, so it's like less chances of you hitting yourself with metal trucks. Takes away that fear, and it also gives you more stability because you don't have that looseness of the trucks like moving on your heel side and toe side. So it gives you a lot more stability to pop down and pop up and get that flick of the kickflip. So if you guys want a pair of these awesome Softrucks, just click below in the description of this video and there'll be a link on where to get these Softrucks, and they really help you learn how to kickflip. I used them years and years in my parents' skate shop and really helped me learn how to kickflip. So yeah, definitely suggest Softrucks. You want to have your ollie straight and 3 inches high while you're moving. Good solid ollies. This is actually episode 2 of a 3-part series on how to kickflip for beginners. If you guys want to see episode 1 and 3, just click in the description below and you can get to those episodes. Once you get used to doing the kickflip on the grass or like on a carpet, you can come to the asphalt and it just gives you a different experience of being on a harder surface, and you just have to get used to it. And it also gives you the advantage of being able to pop off that tail to get that kickflip to pop and really flip. So that actually gives you a lot more confidence when you hear that popping noise. Yo, make sure you guys always wear a helmet and safety pads when you're learning new tricks. All right, this is the foot position you want for the kickflip. And just remember, be on the balls of your feet when you do your pop down, your flick. Make sure when you do a kickflip, you get your feet in the position I just showed you, and then you want to initiate the kickflip by popping down on the tail. And once you pop down on the tail, you want to slide your foot up like an ollie, but instead of like just going straight up, you want to like go up and like kick up and flick it out like a karate kick, like hiya, out, and it makes the board flip under your body. So keep your body weight over it as it flips, and then it flips around, and you want to catch it with your back foot as it flips around. So to flip around like this, the nose coming down, catch it with your back foot, land on bolts, and you stomp that kickflip. Lean forward as you're doing this. Why isn't the board flipping right? Like, why isn't it not staying under my feet? These are the questions a lot of people are always asking me, and a lot of people that are trying to kickflip that I see that they're making the mistake of. They're flicking the board and it's popping and it's going like this, and it's not staying under the feet, or it's popping and it's going varial flip almost. So the reasons are probably for that are your shoulders are not straight with the skateboard. So a huge tip when you learn how to kickflip is you make sure you have your feet in the right position, but you also can bring your arms down and maybe cross them real quick just to get the idea of having your shoulders straight with the skateboard. And just have it in your mind that you're gonna tell yourself, I'm gonna keep my shoulders straight with the board as I do the kickflip. Get your feet in the right position, make sure you get that pop, and then get the flick, and then try to keep the flick good enough where it keeps the board under your feet, and you don't have to pop it that high, you just gotta pop it enough to get it to flip under your feet. Just like that. Yo, make sure you guys smash the like if you're getting value out of this video. Make sure you guys comment if you have any questions about your kickflips. If you have any problems, and maybe I can answer the questions to your problems. Also, subscribe for more beginner skateboarding videos, guys. Also, another reason why the board might not be flipping straight is because when you pop the board with your back foot, you might be pushing down with your ankle and ball of your foot, but you also might be scooping backwards like this. So that makes the board pop and then flip, and it makes it go into a varial flip rotation. So to change that is just to make sure when you're pushing back on the tail, you just push down with your ankle and the ball of your foot, where you push directly down. And that's all you're doing, like an ollie, same motion, because you're just popping to initiate that kickflip to start getting ready to get the kick and the flick to make it flip. So just remember to push down. Guys, make sure you stay tuned till the end of this video for the extra kickflip trick tip. Step 3, one of the most important parts about the kickflip. Once you understand how to pop the board up and actually start getting it to flick and make the board rotate, you want to make sure that when you pop and then flick the board and do your kick out, you have to bring this foot and leg back onto the board. So you have to do it quick enough, kick out and in, to bring it back on. So this is where it takes time and dedication to really try to focus in on how to develop your pop down and your ollie up, and then your kick out and flick out like karate kick to make the board spin well enough and finesse enough on your feet, and you can bring your front foot back onto it. So you just got to develop how to move your feet in the right spot and really be fast and quick and finesse with the kick to get your hi-ya back in and on. So you got to do it fast. Might take a while and you might start falling, but you need to get back up and try it again. Guys, the extra trick tip is to make sure you always have a good enough balance while you're moving to get your feet set up to do that kick flip while you're moving on the flat surface. So you just move on the balls of your feet so you can pop up and do the kick flip. Yeah, make sure you guys click right here for the next episode of how to kick flip for beginners while you're moving. Just click on that box right there. All right, peace out, guys.